Hi guys! 10:38 PM na, Iwaw Feng Shui na. Brethren, family and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat, ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong Feng Shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and Date Selection Consultant. So, kumusta po kayo? Nung chichine ko po yung aking sharing, June 10 pa pala, now it's, ang pag-uusapan natin is already for June 20 after 10 days. Ganun pong kabilis po, ano? More than a week, wow! So, at least nakapagbigay po tayo ng mga game changer days. Hope sana po nagbe-benefit kayo doon, no? And our exchange of energies is like and share. Okay, so again, let's go direct. Ano po bang meron tomorrow or later at 11 o'clock? Simula po ng earlier at time. So June 20, Thursday, is called the Wood Rabbit enters the Receive Officer Day. Ayan, Wood Rabbit. So, pag Wood Rabbit, ano po meron? Ayan, let's see. Okay, suitable. Excuse me. Sabi rito, avoid all activities. Wow. Animal sign. Average for the rat, not so good for the ox. Average for the tiger. Rabbit is very good. Dragon snake not so good. Horse is average. Goat is very good. Sorry. Monkey is average. Rabbit is rooster is not so good, and dog and pig very good. Hi to Ma'am Miriam. Thanks for watching. Ayan. Now, since it's not suitable for any activities, but again, naka-schedule na, and gaya po natin, no, so thankful na we have a lot of travels in Romblon and in Cebu, and all other else in Metro Manila, South and Northern Zone. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat for your continuous patronage. Salamat po. And, well, yan, medyo nag-ano po ngayon, so, ngayon na po nag-mellow down, so now I'm doing the sharing po. No? Let's not miss a thing. So, we're not in the habit of postponing things. So, let's look at the daily Chimen. Para po we still can maximize tomorrow po. June 20, Thursday. Okay. If you want to 10x your being beautiful and handsome, if you want to have a lot of followers, some people to believe in you here and overseas, with the heavenly fame, mas appeal po ito with the magic and diplomatic energies and structure, talikod sa Southeast. For emergency purposes, you're in danger, 7 stars po ito, talikod sa South. And for the game changer, with the this one is for opportunities, and Jade Maiden watching the door buong araw, talikod sa West. So, yun po yung lagay ko po, game changer for Thursday, backing to West. If you want to make amends, person-to-person talk, and also make good with your health, talikod naman sa Northwest. And to do with finance, and of course, you want to attract helpful people, noble people, talikod naman po sa North. Yan. So, how do we categorize po a game changer? A game changer po is with a good structure like the Jade Maiden, and an opportunity po, and a high-class helpful people, and the wisdom to do whatever it takes po when, whole day, Thursday, talikod sa West with 5 stars. Yan po. 5 stars. So, I'll use that. Okay. How about for the hourly Chimen? Namimiss nyo, Green Dragon, Flying Bird, and Jade Maiden. Okay, tingnan po natin. As early as the later rat of 12 a.m. to 12:59 p.m., there's the Green Dragon returns, the most auspicious, the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen. Hi to Ma'am Rosary. Thanks for watching. Okay. Ayan. Hi, Sir Go or Ma'am Go. Okay, thanks for watching po, At least you're there. Thank you po. So, sa hourly Chimen, which is more potent, Green Dragon returns, Southwest po tatalikod. That's 12. Hi to Brother Senior Warden Noble, Sir. Sir Joseph. Kuyang, Nobs. Hi, good evening. So, Kuyang, sa inyo pong lahat, Green Dragon returns, the number 1 most auspicious. Hindi po makatulog hanggang amaya gising. Green Dragon return, talikod sa Southwest. And then, 1 a.m. to 2:59 a.m., mamadaling araw din po ito. Jade Maiden watching the door, talikod naman po sa Northeast. Okay. 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m., Green Dragon returns na naman. Ulit, southwest backing. And then, Flying Bird Fall into Cave wherein blessing comes to you. Talikod sa north, and that's from 5 p.m. to 6:59 p.m. Ayan. Wow! Dami nun ha. There you have it. By the way po, BFF, I like really to thank you so much for your inquiries, for your support, and doon po sa mga nag-inquire, and then I answer you back. Please also answer me back if you're going to push through or not, para po we're not in a guessing game po. So if you're planning to have the feng shui or the consultation, tell me if it's online or on-site, and then tell me if we are... So yung may expectation po, at least I will really find ways and schedule para po sa inyo. Because there are some schedules po, nag-inquire po sa akin last May. Well, mapupuntahan ko po sila July pa po. Ganun po, nag-loaded po ulit yung schedule natin. So sana po ganun din po tayo. So when I answer you back, please also let me know para po we can adjust and we can meet po either online or on-site. Wow, yan. Okay, there you have it. So, BFF, I hope sana po as up to this point in time, meron na kayong mga plant in water properly placed. Because the plant in water is really, well, it does the thing no po, in feng shui. Sana po you have it po. We've discussed that early on this year. Half year na po tayo. Sana you still have those plant in water. Don't forget and don't neglect po. Don't forget you having that. Okay? BFF, well, again, thank you so much for the opportunity. Let us pray for each other. Let us pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all. Even a grateful heart. Good evening po sa inyo lahat. God bless and good night. Bye-bye.